Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesigntechtips.com. Well, I've had a question of where do you get the Divi theme from? If you've been following any of my videos, you know I do a lot of demonstrations with a Divi WordPress theme. It's absolutely awesome. As you know, I built hundreds of sites with it. Keeps getting better and better and more easy to use with more features. Now, if you want it, it's a premium theme, so you have to pay for it. You can go to elegantthemes.com, or you can use my affiliate link below this video and it'll take you there. You have to become a member. And once you've paid for the plan that you want, you go to the themes page and to downloads, and you can download the theme from the Divi download page right here. They got the Divi theme, they got the extra theme, which is another great theme. Divi Builders, Bloom and Monarch, which are all great plugins available for the themes. So once you're there, just hit the download button. And as you can see, it'll start downloading it for you here. I've got a fresh install of WordPress right here. I'm on the Appearance tab, Themes, and here are the themes that are installed by default with WordPress at the moment. Going to go up to Add New. And as usual, it'll find a bunch of free themes for you here, or you can put in your search term here. I don't think Divi comes up if you put it in a search. Let's have a look. No, it doesn't there. Okay, so what you do is hit the Upload Theme button. Grab your downloaded file. Drag it up into there. Hit the Install Now button. Once it's installed, you're going to want to activate it. So I'm going to hit the Activate button. That'll make it the theme that's being used. What I like to do is go in and delete all these other themes I'm not using. Anything you can get rid of from your WordPress site will make it slightly quicker. I'm just left clicking on it. I'm hitting the delete button down there. Again, left click, delete. Now you want to make sure that you don't try and delete the active one, which is our Divi at the moment, because it won't let you. Alright, so we've got it in there. Okay, so we've got it in there. Now we need to actually activate our theme. And as you can see, there's now a button down here that says Divi. Let's go to Theme Options. Over to Updates. And you've got to put in your username. And your API key, which is a long number up here. Just going to copy that, paste it in. Save the changes. There we go, I've got a check mark. We're all good to go. So my theme is now activated and ready to go. Okay. Head over to the General tab. Let's go down. If you want to, you can put your logo URL in the top there. If you want a fixed navigation bar, keep that one enabled. If you want to enable the Divi gallery rather than having a generic WordPress gallery, you can do that. Here we have a color picker. If you've got a theme that you're wanting to follow with certain colors, you can click on here and create a palette, which is great. Grab the first post image here. If you have that enabled, you can use thumbnail images from your actual theme rather than the generic images that it does by default. It sort of bypasses the custom fields here. Blog style mode. By default, the theme truncates your posts into index home pages automatically to create post previews. If you'd rather show your posts in full on index pages like a traditional blog, then you can activate this feature right here. Sidebar layout, right sidebar, left sidebar choices, shop page category page layout for WooCommerce, again, right sidebar, or you can have it full width with no sidebar, which is great for some WooCommerce. You just don't want it in your product page. Google API keys for your maps and stuff like that. Put that one in there. And in Q, Google Maps script, if you enable that, it'll actually remove the Google Maps API script from your Divi Builder pages, and it might improve your compatibility with third-party plugins. Use Google fonts, well, that's self-explanatory. Facebook icon, Twitter icon, Google Plus icon, that needs to be taken out now because Google Plus is no more. Instagram icon, RSS icon. And here you put in your profile, your actual page names. Number of products displayed on WooCommerce archive pages, that's pretty self-explanatory. Posts on category pages, number of posts displayed, this is all pretty explanatory. Google Font Subset, that actually enables fonts for non-English speaking languages. Back to the top button, we'll put a little button on your site that people can click and go back to the top, which is great for really mobile browsing. Smooth scrolling will enable it to smoothly scroll when you mouse up and down. Also, if you're using anchor points, it enables you to scroll smoothly to various anchor points on your site. Minify and combine JavaScript files. This is just to speed up your site load time slightly. And the same with the CSS files there. Custom CSS box, if you've seen any of my tutorials, I like to write a lot of custom CSS. And this is where you put it for global CSS on your site. It'll affect every page if you put it in here. So there you have it. There's how to install, activate, and configure your Divi theme. I hope you found that useful and enjoyed it. If you have, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free web development courses down there, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, so do check it out. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.